Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install ntopng with Redis on AlmaLinux 9 using Docker. First, you need to update the system. Now, add the Docker repository. Next, install Docker components. Then, enable and start Docker. ntopng must capture traffic from the physical network interface. Next, Redis must be running before ntopng starts. Now, verify Redis. Now, open a browser and navigate to the following URL. You will be prompted to change the password on your first login.